Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Padme from Star Wars Episode 1. So without any further ado, let's begin. The legs come from Grief Karga. All the cloth pieces come from the ARC Trooper. The torso comes from Zilri Bliss. The head comes from Rey. And finally the hair comes from Abby Yates. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build it. I think this minifigure has turned out pretty decent, and I think is a nice cheap alternative to some of the more expensive Padmes out there. I'd recommend subscribing and liking this video if you haven't done either of those already, and maybe leaving an idea if you have one. You may want to check out some more Clone Wars characters, so I will put that playlist on the end screen for you.